Today I'm going to show you how to make this quick and easy chicken stir fry with your own homemade sauce. Welcome back to our kitchen, where we show you how to make delicious, family-friendly recipes. This chicken stir fry makes a fantastic weeknight meal with a spicy kick, and it's all on the table in 20 minutes. I've got a pan of rice on to boil, and the aim is to have the chicken stir fry ready by the time the rice is cooked. We're going to start by coating the chicken. I've got 3 chicken breasts here, sliced into strips. Add 2 tablespoons of cornflour or cornstarch and a good pinch of salt and pepper. Mix all that together to coat the chicken. Now we're going to add 2 tablespoons of vegetable oil to our wok and heat it on a high heat. When the oil's very hot, add the chicken and fry for 5 to 6 minutes, turning every so often until the chicken's cooked through. Add in 100 grams, which is about a cup of sugar snap peas, plus 1 red and 1 yellow pepper that have been sliced into strips, and fry for a further 2 minutes. Now we're going to make the sauce. This is a simple sauce and we just add the ingredients in, layering up those flavours as we go, starting with 2 minced cloves of garlic. Next in goes 4 tablespoons of dark soy sauce, 2 tablespoons of Chinese rice vinegar, 3 tablespoons of brown sugar, 3 tablespoons of sweet chilli sauce, and 2 tablespoons of tomato ketchup. Continue to heat on high, tossing everything together with a spatula until heated through. Stir through a bunch of chopped spring onions or scallions and a chopped red chilli and heat for 1 more minute until they're hot but still crunchy. Serve the chicken stir fry with boiled rice, topped with a sprinkling of spring onions and sliced red chillies. So there you go, that's my super quick and easy chicken stir fry. It's such a versatile meal. You can swap out those veggies for whatever you've got in, and it makes a fantastic midweek meal. Really hope you enjoyed the recipe. If you did, please like and subscribe, and don't forget to hit the bell to be notified of new recipes every Monday and Thursday. See you next time.